Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. This week, the European Commission dropped a bombshell that sent ripples across the entire in vitro diagnostic or IVD industry. Regulators in Brussels have officially proposed a significant extension to the transition deadlines for the in vitro diagnostic regulation, also known as the IVDR. This is not just a minor shift in the calendar. It is a critical response to the immense pressure the industry has been facing. For high-risk Class D devices, the deadline to achieve full compliance has been pushed to December 31st, 2027. For Class C devices, the new date is December 2028, and for lower-risk Class B and sterile Class A devices, manufacturers now have until December 31st, 2029. So what is happening behind the scenes? This extension is a direct acknowledgement of a severe bottleneck in the system, primarily the dramatic shortage of notified bodies designated to certify products under the stringent new IVDR rules. For years, manufacturers have been stuck in queues, unable to get their technical files reviewed, putting thousands of essential diagnostic tests at risk of disappearing from the EU market. For example, a mid-sized French company producing a vital blood typing assay, previously self-certified, was facing the grim reality of ceasing all EU sales. They simply could not get an audit slot with a notified body before the original deadline. This extension provides them and countless others a crucial lifeline. However, this is not a time for complacency. This is a strategic window of opportunity. The fundamental requirements of the IVDR have not changed. The need for more robust clinical evidence, post-market surveillance, and technical documentation is here to stay. Companies that treat this extension as a holiday will find themselves in the exact same crisis in a few years, but with no more extensions to save them. The smart move is to use this time to meticulously remediate technical files, engage with consultants to refine clinical evidence strategies, and secure a place in line with a notified body. The pressure is off, but the clock is still ticking. This delay in the EU also presents a strategic question. Should companies now reprioritize other major markets like the US or Latin America, where market access might be faster, while their EU IVDR process runs in the background? The choices made in the next 6 months will determine the winners and losers of this regulatory shift. Navigating these shifting regulatory landscapes is precisely where strategic planning becomes crucial. For expert guidance on adapting your IVDR transition strategy or exploring faster pathways in other global markets, feel free to reach out to us by email at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at Pure Global online.